Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another Barbie unboxing. Today we've got the Barbie Fashionista 194. This is the black wheelchair Barbie for 2023, and she looks awesome. She's got some hoop earrings, she's got a fun little jumper on, she's got a hot pink wheelchair, and she's got an orange little ramp. She's also wearing some hoop earrings and has a very pretty face screening. Now the question, whether or not today we are going to answer is she a new skin tone or body type? I don't think she's a new body type, but I do think we might have a different skin tone or a different body type for a skin tone that we don't have an original body type for. So here she is, very pretty. Here is her UPC for anybody trying to find her. She's been available on Amazon for a hot minute already. I did only order one of her because there's just not a ton of matches for these skin tone dolls. And if she's going to be in stores for a minute, I'm just going to pick her up in person. And that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. I did see her in stores the other day, but I picked mine up off of Amazon because when I ordered them, it took about 2 weeks. But as you can see, we've got all the other skin tone girlies behind us. So we shall see what her skin tone winds up being. So, we're going to have to pick out her hair a bit, I think, because she's a little messed up from being in the box. So we're going to try to just floof it a bit, give her a bit of that styled parted fro. And she looks really pretty. Like, I'm loving this. She's got these cute little flat jelly sandals on, so very fun. We're going to check out her ramp. This is a traffic cone orange ramp, so that's kind of fun. But again, the wheelchair is pink. It's very cute. Still says Barbie on the back. So the question we have is whether or not this is a different skin tone. So this is our previous wheelchair Barbie right here. If you guys can see that, she looks pretty close. This one has more of a red undertone though. You can see it more in the legs. Now, whether or not this is a different skin tone or just a new body, that's the question. I think she might be this skin tone. No. That skin tone's still darker. Let's see, are you the petite one that we have? Possibly. So, I'm thinking this one might be in between the petite and the curvy in my scale. So this would be a new skin tone. Whether or not we're going to have dolls that match this anytime in the future is going to be the real question, because I don't think we have any more darker skin dolls in this line of fashionistas for 2023. But she's so cute. But again, she looks really good. I like her little outfit. It's actually not just like pull up over. It does have some Velcro in the back, so that's nice. Because I hate when you have to jam up an entire onesie over a doll. It's very frustrating. She's gonna have some shrinkage. She's giving naturalistas. It's a pretty decent hair texture for like 4C kind of style. So yeah, she looks pretty good. So I think we would call that right in between that one and this one. So if you have a doll that you tried styling or tried rebodying that fell between these two, it's probably going to wind up being this one. Now, neither of these matches are going to look horrible on this body. It's just going to be a bit of kind of a tonal difference. And just comparing to the previous wheelchair Barbie, right there, they're all pretty close. Like, they're not super far apart on the tone scale. You can see it a little bit more when I swap to kind of a cool light. Which ones kind of pop more versus a warm light. But they're all very good. These are pretty interchangeable, I would say. This one has got a few of her matches, not a ton of them, but enough. There is also a curvy of this tone, which is the L doll, which is our more common doll tone when they give us black dolls. But these four are pretty much interchangeable, I would say. These two and these two more so. But this one is still going to be darker. These three, I think you could get away with any of them. But unfortunately, you've got 2 originals and 1 petite. So if you guys have questions, there are going to be a few more Made to Move bodies coming out with the new release of the Barbie Look series, which is releasing January 25th. I am so excited. There's 2 more Kens and 4 more Barbies that are coming out with a variety of body types. I am excited. So that will probably be my next big Made to Move video. So if you guys have questions in the meanwhile, this was Barbie Fashionista 194. She does look pretty in line with these 3. There's going to be slight tonal differences. I feel like a good chunk of their tonal difference, these are all supposed to be the same shade, most likely. But I feel like in just plastic batches, something might get slightly redone. But they look really good. So if you guys have questions on her, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in trying to decide which tone to go with for your Barbie, let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for following along, and don't forget to like if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment with your question, and follow along for some more fun unboxings. Bye, y'all. Be good.